In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix FC26 unable to connect to the EA servers on my PS5. So what I did firstly is that I went into my PS5 and then I went into settings right here, as you can see. And now on settings, just scroll down and click on users and accounts firstly. Then we're going to scroll down and click on other and click on restore licenses. Then you're going to select EA Sports here and click on restore. And then just wait a couple of seconds for it to restore here, as you can see. Now when you have done so, go back into the settings page here and then go into network instead. And on network, click on settings here and click on set up internet connection. And then on your Wi-Fi right here, make sure that you have selected the one that you're connected to. Now on your PS5 controller, click on this options button right here, as you can see, and then click on advanced settings. And then in here, click on DNS settings and set this one from automatic to manual instead. And then on the primary DNS, write exactly like this, 1.1.1.1, and on secondary DNS, write like this, 1.0.0.1. And then click on OK right here, and it's going to say connecting to the access point and then connecting to internet. This should be fine if you were connected before. You should be able to be connected again, as you can see. So try this and then go back into your FIFA game, so your FC26 game, and see if this actually fixed it for you as well.